Hello guys, have you ever booked a car or cars but were disappointed in terms of delivery on what you actually requested for? Well, say hello to Show Executive Logistics and Automobile. At Show Executive, we show up and deliver effectively on all requests made by our clients. At Show Executive, we have limousine, G-Wagon, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz, Land Cruiser, Prado, Toyota Hilux, Lexus, BMW, Sprinter van, Camry, Toyota Hiace bus, and so on and so forth. So guys, if you live in the city of Abuja or other states, Show Executive is surely the best to take you round town. We are just a DM or phone call away. You can visit our social media handle at showexecutive_cars, and you can reach us on 080 37 52 12 35. And you can call us on 081 47 86 42 45, which is our office line. And our receptionist is always available to respond to you effectively. Thank you.